Today we're tearing off a 5-year-old roof in Highland, New York. This was put on by a contractor who went out of business just a year or two after installing this roof. Homeowner says the roof has been leaking since the day it was installed, and looking around the roof we can really tell why. Let me show you some stuff. The last roofer here ran this valley backwards, so the water from the slope I'm standing on is washing right under that slope and going right into the house. The guys also botched this flashing job on the skylight terribly. None of this metal should be exposed. So they came back a few times, caulked everything, and it's still leaking. Up here also, they didn't flash the chimney. All this needed to be replaced. This chimney's leaking, and it's been leaking since the install. They did a little work here on this side. They only flashed one side of the chimney. Over here, they didn't put any flashing. So these connections right here, all this wood, it's rotting and leaking. No flashing. And then right here, this pipe boot's installed wrong. This shingle should be over this part, covering the nails. So it's pretty obvious. The guys who did this job did not know how to roof. They had nail guns, they had shingles, and they called themselves roofers. We see this quite often, but it's pretty sad when we see a 5-year-old roof getting torn off and a customer having to pay for that second time. It's really a shame. But at least now he's going to get a professional job from a great crew. Guys who know what they're doing, who work safely. And this customer will not have anything to worry about moving forward. I'm Dave from Green Collar, and I hope you guys have a good day. See you soon.